What's crackin'? My name is Hans, and for today's video guys, pag-uusapan natin yung mangyayaring maintenance guys and updates dito sa Nightcrows tomorrow. So pag-usapan natin yan guys, and ipapakita natin sa inyo guys yung mga dapat nyo malaman para syempre guys makita nyo rin yung mga upcoming events dito sa Nightcrows. So let's go! So eto guys, nandito tayo sa Nightcrows guys na website. So click nyo lang tong news and then notice. So dito guys, kung mapapansin nyo, pagka-click natin ng notice, ito yung maintenance May 21st. So click lang natin yan. So eto guys, main updates na gagawin nila is a mission completion event. So magkakaroon sila ng event regarding sa mission completion and also dungeon event. So ayan, magkakaroon din ng event dyan and daily quest double contribution coin. So magkakaroon ng event sa contribution coin guys, instead na onti lang yung makuha natin, dodoblehin daw yan. And eto guys yung inaantay ng lahat, lalo na sa mga nahuli dito sa guild order event. So baka mangyari ulit dito guys is madagdagan yung guild coin na makukuha nyo para makabili kayo ng higher seal. And also gear dismantling event. So di pa natin alam to, first time nila tong gagawin. So ito, abangan nyo rin to guys. And second, new season passes. So eto guys yung maintenance schedule nila for Asia, May 21 of 2024, 6 AM to 8:30 AM. Tandaan nyo guys yung mga oras na to subject to changes to. Depende na lang guys kung kailan nila matatapos yung mga maintenance or yung updates na gagawin nila. Sa SA naman, nangyari na siya which is May 20, 7 PM, 9:30 PM. Kasi magkakaiba naman ng UTC. Pero yun nga guys, mas napaaga sa kanila in terms of date. And also itong NAEU, Monday naman siya May 20 of 2024, 6 PM and 8:30 PM. Targeted region is Asia 1 to 3, tas SA and NAEU. So updated notice, ayan, pwede kayong kulumik dito sa kanilang official homepage which is yung ginawa natin, and new event roundup. So eto siya guys, and ayan, meron pa namang ibang mga notice dito na pwede nyong isama. So ito yung event new roundup na kanang sinabi nila. For May 21st event that will help guild and crew to grow will commence. A mission completion event will take place and guild order event will take place where you can obtain more guild coins, katulad na sinabi natin kanina, than usual for completing guild orders. So baka yung katulad yan dati yung may nakalagay na special, tas may makuha kang 500 dun guys na guild coins per completion. And eto guys yung mission completion event May 21st after the update until June 3rd siya guys. So sa mga magtatanong kung hanggang kailan, until June 3rd siya. Okay? And event details: complete missions assigned to Nightcrows and obtain rewards. All items claimed from this event cannot be traded. So hindi siya pwede ibenta, and the rewards can be received through the event icon on the top right of the screen. So eto guys, bound lahat yan na makukuha nyo. And also guys, etong event period May 21st after the update. So ito naman yung sa dungeon event until June 4 before the update. Hunt monster in the land of prosperity and obtain more alubia gold pouches, bound, Morian bound, and gold within the event period. So isa rin pala guys sa kasama dito is itong dungeon event natin, which is ito most likely focus na ito is sa LOP or Land of Prosperity. Wow. Which is ito lang naman yung binanggit nila. And dito naman guys sa contribution coin event, daily quest double contribution coin May 1st until June 4th. So June 4th lahat sila guys. Gain double the contribution coin obtained to completing daily quest within the event period. Guild order event, so ito yung kaninang binanggit natin, ayan, will appear where crew can obtain more completing to the newly added guild orders. Cost to refresh guild order, ayan, same lang din siya ng dating event. Ayan guys, yung katulad naman binanggit ko kanina, yung about sa special, yung kailangan nyo i-click ng i-refresh since 100 gold lang naman yung kailangan doon. And ito guys yung kaninang sinabi ko sa inyo na bago, which is gear dismantling event. So after May 21st update, before May 28th update, dismantling rare gear within the event period to obtain rare dismantle chest. So ito guys, questionable pa sa atin to, pero check natin guys, baka may ibigay sila ditong component details, which is ay naman yung lagi natin ginagawa. So ito, ayan nga katulad ng sinabi ko, item details. So pwedeng seal of advancement. Ayun guys.
Nice.
Buta chinek natin. Item details. Pwedeng seal of advancement guys sa pagdidismantle lang. Ayun, magdidismantle ka lang. May seal of advancement ka nang makukuha guys. So ito yung iba. Ayan, brilliant weapon enhancement. And then pwede mag-times yung seal of advancement mo guys. So hindi ko na kailangan bumili dito ng bumili. And mas mapapabilis na yung second advancement natin. So sobrang solid na ito guys. And sana guys nakatulong itong video na ito. So nakagulat lang yung update dito ng Nightcrows regarding sa Seal of Advancement. So maraming salamat guys. And once again, this is Hans and God bless.